Alright, so we are doing chapter 2 concept quiz now. So what we do, we follow example. JFrame, frame equal new JFrame. So number one, I ask you to put MyFrame. So as Joseph did for you, is JFrame, MyFrame equal new JFrame. That's number one. And that will be Joseph did for you. Let's do number two. And if we want create a rectangle component inherit from JComponent, and we want you to do your is MyComponent. So Tianjin did for you. It will be public class MyComponent extend JComponent. All right. So number three, we're going to use PaintComponent method. In the JComponent, in the JComponent, there's a PaintComponent method. There's a PaintComponent method. Okay. So, and the PaintComponent method right there, so it's public void PaintComponent graphic G. Okay, these we don't need to do anything. You just know, write down here notes here. PaintComponent, write it down. PaintComponent use one-dimensional graphic class. That's because here. Okay, so you just highlight this line. Number four. Okay. So now usually because we're doing shape, so usually we want to upgrade your G to graphic 2D, and the way to do is this. Graphic 2D, that's the class, and name it G2. And this is a little bit different. Other will be like a new, but this one is parenthesis graphic 2D G. So this line I need you to memorize. And this line I need to memorize. Okay, so I need you to write down why you do this. Is upgrade your G to graphic 2D. I give you a bunch of answers already. Is that right? So let's do number 5. We're going to draw a rectangle. So when we draw a rectangle right here, what you do is you do the rectangle class. You call box equal new rectangle 5, 10, 20, 30. 5, 10 is top left corner. X is 5, Y is 10. The width is 20 and the height is 30. Then you do G2, draw box, alright, and fill the box with G2. Okay, so now I'm going to do, then you draw a circle. Draw a circle, you use ellipse 2D double, and this left top corner, and this width 100, height 150. Now you do this right now. You do construct object is ellipse 2D class, name it ball. X coordinate is 100, 100, width 50, and height. Alright, so you do this right now. Okay, you do this. Okay, that means that's your number 6. You do number 6. And let me see who can put this on your Zoom group chat box. Okay, number 6. Let me see who can put on the Zoom group chat box right now. Alright, so Leopold, ellipse 2D, double, call perfect. Okay, good job. So let me ask you, Leopold, when I do this, and this will be a circle. Is that right? Is number 6 will be a circle? Yes, because the horizontal radius and vertical, they are the same. Let's see number 7, draw a line. Let's see number 7, draw a line. Okay, so when you want to draw a line, and for example, and this is from this point x1 y1 to x2 y2, and it's called mouse. Line 2D dot double. Now of course, okay guys, need to be, I use line 2D, you can use graphic, there's a line, there's whatever, check it. As long as you use the Java Bible, will be fine. So line 2D dot double mount equal new line 2D dot double from x30 110 to 80 110. We notice y did not change, so must be a horizontal line. Okay, that's an example. Now you do this right now. You do this. You're going to do a line. It's called my line. Okay, and it's going to from 3100 to 3200. Okay, do it right now. Okay, now Antonio, type your name. Antonio, type your name right here. Sorry, Antonio, type your answer right here. Yeah, okay. Daniel, this is your point one. This is your point two. Is that right? So you notice your x don't change. So that must be a vertical line, right? So Antonio, please put your answer on the group chat. Hello, Antonio, are you here? We need to participate, you know. Antonio Sanchez. Gee. All right.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right. Please type your answer in the group chat. Is that okay, please? All right. Antonio, can you give me a reason why you cannot type your answer on the group Zoom group chat, please, Antonio?
Because I don't really understand it yet.
You don't understand this? You don't understand this?
No.
Did you listen to the class? I mean, did you listen to class? It's very easy to say I don't understand. You know, I don't understand you. I don't understand the class. But did you actually watch the class already? Did you watch it? You know, that's a frustration I get it because uh, if you don't pay attention, you don't do anything, then why you stay in a computer programming class? All right, Carla, can you type your answer right here? Okay, Carla, I need you to type your answer here, please, at the group chat. All right, So line 2D dot double my line, okay, good, equal new. Okay, Control C. All right, so line 2D dot double equal line. So I'm going to put the answer for her. She already did it. All right, then that's the answer right there already. And can you tell me these the x don't change, so this must be a what kind of line, a vertical line, is that right? All right, so guys, I need you to pay attention, otherwise you drop the class, because it is going to be hard. It's a programming class. You don't want to stay the class and probably you will just open a movie or open YouTube, and anytime we do something you say you don't understand, and we cannot go on like this. I am training you to be a programmer, and I really have a high hope on you. And if all the time you are doing this and then you say you don't understand, and there's a one student even go beyond that and just keep on disrupting the class, and and that's not fair to other students who need to be in the class and who want to be a programmer. Okay, so if I ask you, you cannot answer, you cannot do, and I'm just going to drop you. All right, so let's continue right now. We're going to draw a string. We're going to draw a string. All right, to draw a string, this is how we do. To draw a string, this is how we do. All right, so use a drawString method, j2.drawString. Understand? We follow example. So use the drawString method and to draw a string hello world. Add the x coordinate 5, 175. How you do is to g2.drawString hello world 575. So we follow the instruction. That's an example. So you do this right now. You use g2.drawString, but you are going to put my name, then don't put your my name. You put your my name, and so if you put, let me give an example right now. So I need some people to do it for me. So Jesus, you put my name is Jesus, and starting your x coordinate is 10 and 200, and I need you to type your answer on the Zoom group chat. Jesus no. Okay. Yeah. Oh, all inside parentheses. Yes, yes, Daniel. Yeah. So this is example. This is example. Now you're just going to continue right here, and you put. All right. So Jesus, I need you to post your answer on the Zoom group chat. Jesus. Hello, Jesus. Are you there? Jesus. Okay. Okay, Gabriel, can you do it? Can you copy it? Your answer? All right, very good. So G2 drawString Gabriel Viamonte, and this is how you do it. Okay, so I'm going to Control C and put right here for you. All right, so it is not hard. I know programming is hard, but the way I teach you is step by step, and you follow this. unless you know, no matter how easy or how hard it is, if you don't watch, if you don't pay attention, you cannot do it. All right, so we're going to do color right now. So pay attention. One more time, I call you. Okay, I call you, and no participation. Today, you don't have attendance. All right, I call you, then you cannot do it, and you say, no, I don't understand. Twice like that, I'm going to drop you because it's just for you, for it's benefit for you and for everybody anyway. Color, Java use red, green, and blue value. So magenta, you put 20, that's, but you don't need to. You can put a color. So you put a different color, you put ch2.setColor. This is how you do. ch2.setColor, color.red, and ch2.drawMouth. All right? That's how you do it. So here, this example here, make you set color to red and draw the mouth. That's a straight line. You do this right now. You set the color to blue. You set the color to blue and draw the mouth to blue. Do it right now. Okay? Do it right now, and I'm going to ask one student to do it for me. John, you type your answer right here.
Professor, if John can answer it, I can answer it.
Oh, good. Thank you. Okay, John. Who is the one you want to answer?
I could answer it, but John just said that he's here, so I don't know if you want to. I can answer the next one if you would like, so John can answer this one.
John, can you answer it? Can you write it, please? John?
He typed yes in the chat.
Can you check? So go ahead, type right now, John. Oh, all right. Whoever who just say want to do it for John, can you do it right now? I let John do.
I can do it.
Okay, go ahead. Okay,
This
type.
is what I got.
All right. So Okay. So G2
Oh, wait, wrong color. Sorry, not red. Oh my god, I don't know why.
No, it's okay. Change that to what? Change that to blue. Yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
That's good. So that's what we do. Okay. So now I'm going to put here right now. And so again, to be a Java programmer, you really need to use a bunch of code from them. That's it, just from them. Okay, that's what you practice about it, and that's a unique part. Daniel, fill the mouth with the sorry, I'm going to.
Oh, you want me to put dot fill?
Yeah, I'm going to use a dot draw because it's a line. We haven't do the mouth as a shape yet. Sorry, okay? So I need to change this draw. But Daniel has a good observation. Okay, good. Now let me do the next one right now. Let me do the next one. Okay, next one. How do you display a frame of 400 square frame with a title bar read "My name is Xin Liu"? How do you do that? Can anyone remember that line? Or at least you should bring your cheat sheet. Okay? All right. Steve, can you help me? Can you? Now everybody try it first, then can Steve write down the answer? Steve, are you here? Write the answer on the Zoom group chat. All right. No pressure, okay? Okay, Steve, don't forget put your own name. It's okay. So anybody who want to do it for me? First, how do you set size? Okay. Now you're supposed to do this, okay? You're supposed to have a friend, right? So you're supposed to set title. Is that right? And you're supposed to set size too. So everybody we have my friend, is that right? And set. So let me just start it and see who can do it. Now remember the name is called my friend. So I want to see who can type. Okay, Tianjin, do you type the set size? My friend dot set size. All right, good. Lin Fen do a very good job. Okay. All right. So you set title. All right. Then you set size. Okay. Now let's continue. All right. How you draw a ball? Sorry, I wrote it wrong. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. They say the center. I want to put this top left corner. All right. 101 radians 25. All right. So, and can anyone do this right now? You want to draw a ball. All right. You're going to call it ball. Okay. You want to call it ball. And the left top corner is 100, 100, and radius 25. All right, so who can give me this one? Anybody? Type your answer on the Zoom group chat. All right, so I have a Leopold ellipse 2D double ball. Okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. All right, so I got Leopold 2 here right now for me. All right, so I got this now, and next one is a little bit harder. Okay, I changed the next question right here. So look, now I am going to have draw a ball, but the center is 100 100. Okay, center is 100 100. So that means I am going to have a a, a ball. Is that right? So this not top left corner, the center here. Okay, I will draw a ball here. You understand? Eventually I'll draw a ball here. Got it? But now the center is 100. The center here is 100. So here is 100 100. All right. All right. And so you tell me if the center here is 100 100. All right. And the radius here is 25. So here, from here to here is 25. This is 25. And from here to here is also 25. So can you figure out that point? What's that point? A little bit math for you. Oh, that's right. That's right. You are right. So that's 50. Yeah, you are right. Okay, that's 50. So this is 50, 50. So you are right. So yeah, you are right. So 50. Yes, you are right. So this is wrong. This is 50. 50. All right. Pretty good, Tianjin. You are very smart. Okay. So I am going to get Tianjin's answer right here. It's okay, everybody. So this is a little bit challenge, a little bit, but just for fun. Okay. All right. So we are going to we don't need to do a yellow square with a red background. Just how do you draw a yellow square? Okay, so let me do this right now. Draw a yellow square, but I'm going to say this. This will be top left corner will be 10 and 10. Okay, and the size is 200. Okay, let's do number 13. So I need to fix this size. All right, I'll just draw a yellow square, and top left corner is 100 100. Let me clear my remove. Let me see, how do I remove it? Click my join. Okay, so now let's see right now. Okay, let's see. We are going to do this right now. How do you draw a yellow square, top left corner 10 10, size 200? Okay, anybody? Anybody? Number 13. Who can give me answer? Number 13. Wei Han, can you type your answer right here? 13. Okay, type it right now for me, please. I bet you need to set color first. Is that right? You make sure you say G2 dot set color to color dot yellow. Number 13. I changed, yeah. I want to make it easier for you because I feel. Alright. So, okay, great. So you G2 set color to yellow. Good job. Alright. Then after that, can you change to can you draw the square right now? Don't forget this is rectangle, son. You can say rectangle square 1, rectangle my square, rectangle box, something, rectangle 2D. Alright, so can anyone draw the rectangle right now? It's a square because if you put size all 200, so length is 200, width is 200, it will be a square. So Wei Han, can you continue draw the square? Or somebody else want to do it? Alright, Daniel did a good job. G2 the rectangle box. Yes, good. Okay. Good, we do that. Now we need to fill it. Is that right? We need to fill these we need to fill these right now. So we need to do next. Now we set up the color, we create. How do you draw this? G2 dot draw, G2 dot fill. No, you have to say G2 dot fill and fill with the box, right? That's right. Yes, Wei Han, yes. He say box, we do put box. Control X, Control V. Alright, so that's 13. Let me see 14. One more time. Lizzie, can you do it right now? Alright. Rectangle. Alright. Now, center 100, 100. I am going to change this, okay? Let me see. So, center 100, 100. That's your center, okay? So you need to find out your top left corner and the side is 50. So this is very, very similar like what did Tianjin did, okay? So remember, let me do it with you one more time. Alright, so I have a rectangle. I have a square, by the way. I have a square, okay? a rectangle. I have rectangle. 100, 100 is a square. Is that right? All right. So if this is 100, this is what? This is what? If this is 100, from here to 100, this is 100, this is 100. So what's this corner? But each side is 50. From here to here is 50. This is 50. So here is 100. All right, hold on. Then yeah, okay. So this is 100, and this is 50. So this is 75, 75. Yes, good. 75, 75. All right. So you figure out that very good right now. So I am going to ask you to write the answer for A. We still call this we still call it box. Okay, we still call it box. So can anyone write the answer for me? Right, anybody can write for me, please? Okay, number 14. All right, Herbert did it. Yeah, very good. Good. Herbert did good job. Okay. I know we keep on review, but we just need to know this. Okay, next one right now. We're going to do G2.string. G2.string. Hello, my name is don't put my name, you put your name. Okay, so this one is easy. Any volunteer want to type for me? Type your answer. Dennis, you want to try it? You want to put your answer on the Zoom group chat? All right, then and Herbert, okay, rectangle 75 G2, G2 draw screen. Okay, very good. All right, good job. Now let's do next one right now. Okay, next one, when we finish this, you're going to use visuals. You're going to use Eclipse to finish. Okay, let's see. First, on your Java statement, you need to have variable small square. Okay, so you're going to a small square. It's a rectangle. Top left corner is 1020. Size is 40. So who can do this for me? Everybody can do it right now. Let me just do this. Oh, sorry. All right. So that must be like this. Here. Control C. Control V. Here. All right. But I'm not going to call this box. I'm going to call what? Small square. Is that right? Small square. It's okay. Then who can change this number for me? What's the number I should change here? Volunteer? Any volunteer for me? Aaron, can you change your answer for me? Aaron?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, tell me the answer. I need to put it right now.
For the rectangle,
The top left corner. Not right now. It's not 70, 75. I
do
don't
10,
10 and what?
20.
Good job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, very good. Okay, now next. Okay, David, are you here? David, I need to change. David, are you here? David, hello, David, are you here? All right, yeah. Can you change? Now the new small square supposed to be size 40 right now. So this one, what should I change right now, David? Yeah. Okay, so you want to change both 50 to 40. You understand? All right. All right. So after that, okay, you're going to draw the small square. So how do you draw the small square? How do you draw the small square? Dennis, are you there? Dennis, how you draw it? How do you draw it? With your what? Remember, you draw with crayon, okay? But hey, our crayon is G2. So, how can anyone draw the small square for me, please? How do you draw it? Okay, good job. Tianjin Lifen, both are good. Control C. All right, good job. Okay, now after I draw that, I am going to move that small square 20 pixels to the right. All right, 20 pixels to the right and 30 pixels down, and draw it again. So how do you move? How do you move 20 pixels to the right? All right. So Joseph, good job. All right. So 20 pixels to the right, and now draw it again. How do I draw it again? How do I draw it again? How do I draw again? Oh, okay. I think I write it wrong. It's small square. Small square. All right. So I move. Now I need to draw again. Is that right? I need to draw again. So I copy this. Control C. All right. So this is your. I need you to save this one. Save this one, and you need to upload it. But there's one question right here. I need to do it. Is this one? Okay? Is this one? Okay? So I need you to do me a favor right now. I need you to submit one Word file. We already finished. One jar file. Okay? The jar file, let me copy the question down so in case you can say, oh, you didn't say anything. Alright, so the jar file you do is you create a Java statement, Java program project, and so to do this. Okay, so in order to do this, let's review this. All right, so in order to have that jar file, okay, so in order to do this, I need two files. Do you understand? One is called small square view file. Small square view file should have JFrame, frame, blah, 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 and view my square. The other one is called small square component and is going to inherit JComponent. So let me give you enough hint right here. Okay, then we're going to actually do it and you submit today. Okay, so for these, you need, okay, you need two files. Is that right? Two files. One, and let's call this small square, small square view.java, and this one is to create your frame. All right, you need to have a frame. So small square view.java. The other one will be small square component.java, and this one you inherit in JComponent So in here you draw the shape, the small square shape. Draw the two small square. All right, do you understand? Yes or no? All right, so the rest of the time I need you to do this. So I will close this file today. It's due today, okay? I need you to have the Word file. I need you to have the jar file. But I'm going to put you in group right now, okay? In case you still, watch Netflix, this and that, can you ask somebody else, please? All right. So, do you have any question about this quiz question? Yes or no? Anybody? No, I'm going to put you in group right now. And so sorry, let me take a roll call. First. Daniel?
Here.
Okay. So let me pull out my chat room. So if you I still share screen, right? All right. So by the way, if you not here, you put your name here, okay? So when is due? Today, okay? Joseph.
Here.
Joseph Avina. Joshua, no. Okay. Gerardo.
Here.
Angela, Leopold, Carla, I know because you answered question already. All right. And Kevin, are you here?
Here.
Krista.
Here.
All right. Wait. Yeah, you're here.
Yeah.
I need to drop Timmy, okay? All right. So Aaron, are you here? Yeah, he answered question. David, are you here? Okay. Silas.
Yeah, here.
All right. I need to drop Dennis, okay? All right. So, Noah, are you here?
Here. Yeah.
Carlos, are you here? Carlos. Adrian Sanchez. Adrian Sanchez. Antonio Sanchez.
Here.
Antonio, please pay attention to the class, okay? Otherwise, it's useless to continue. Steve.
I will, ma'am. It will happen again.
Okay, thank you. John, are you here? John, are you here? Oh, yeah, here. Okay, Jesus.
Here.
Thank you. David. I need to drop David, okay? All right. So, Tianjin is here. Alejandro is here. Gabriel, you're here, you answer. Linfen is here. Okay, here I'm going to I am going to not to let you do in group, let you do individual. So I'm going to stop the class, and this is due today. I want you to do it, and based on the here, but ask me any question. If you can, before I release you. Do you know how to do this one? Yes or no? Do you know how to do this one? Create a Java project. I'll let Daniel explain it. Daniel, I bet Daniel know how to do it. Daniel, do me a favor. Can you
Yes.
can you explain to everybody? I think this is so easy, but I don't know how to explain to everybody anymore. This is, can you explain to everybody, your classmates, say how you suggest them to do it?
Okay, so for this assignment, we're going to be creating two small squares using the rectangle command. And I believe that one of the squares is just the other square, except now it's translated, meaning that it's just been moved to a different position. That's why we have another draw command to show that that square is also going to show up. So we'll have the original square, and then we'll have the new moved square.
Yeah, great.
And that's pretty much all we need.
But how
And
you?
we need the JFrame, of course.
So how you started with your Eclipse? When you start the Eclipse, you probably will say what? Concept quiz. Is that right? You'll say that. And when you add a new class, if that class you want to add a main program right there, and that file should be which file we're talking about?
That would be the first file, just I guess the small square component.
No. That will be the first file. That one should be your one. Should be
Then
your
the
small square view. Yes. Then you want to create another new class. Is that right? And another new class is called small square component. And that one you want to inherit. So how do you say inherit? You say what? Extend. Is that right? Extend what? JComponent.
Extends JComponent.
All right. So I want you to do it, and it's due today. Is that okay? So let me double check. I put due today because help me to help you. I think very mean right now. I actually do a lot of work, but that's the only way you can push yourself to understand all this. Because if you just wait and see, don't do anything, it won't help you. It just won't help you. It's okay. So I'm going to let you go right now. And unless you want to be in group, there are only 12 minutes left. You want to in group for a while or no? Yes or no? Let me know, or you can solo, whatever you want to do. Solo or in group? Solo. Okay, I'll let you solo right now. So I'm going to stop. The sharing, and I'll stop the class. If you have end the class, if you have no question, I'm going to end it right now, and you solo do it. It's okay? All right. See you next week. Okay? Bye-bye.